What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how I made my YouTube introduction with Turtle. So let's get started. Alright, so what you just saw was my YouTube introduction, and all of this code is how I made it. So I recommend that you watch my first and my second Turtle video in order for this to make sense. I would also recommend that you familiarize yourself with functions, and I have a video about functions on my channel as well. If you don't have a basic understanding of functions in Turtle, I would recommend that you go check those videos out so you actually understand what I'm talking about here. Alright, so let me run through this code. So I made this over Thanksgiving break, so yeah. It's been a while since I've looked at this. So anyways, in my first line, I import Turtle just to get Turtle on my device. And I've done that with Replit as well. So in my tutorials, the first line I always did was import Turtle. And over here, I was just setting up my Turtle, so t equals turtle.turtle. So instead of me doing turtle.turtle.penup and stuff like that, it would just be t. So yeah, so I said that. I did t dot height turtle, so the arrow or the turtle or whatever shape you have it, it's just gone, and that's when and that's why you don't see the turtle in my introduction. Next, I set the pen size to 10, and that just made the lines a bit thick. And over here is my function fh, and this is what makes my introduction. So here t dot pen up. So I pick up the pen and I set the position to a certain coordinate on the graph. So once I'm there, I set the pen down. I move forward 50, I turn left 90 degrees, I move forward another 50 degrees, then I turn left 90 degrees. Right now, what there is so far is I've gone like this, and now I'm going like this. So you see I'm moving up now. And then I turn left 90, and then I go back. So yeah, as you see, right now it's making the head of the F, kind of. So yeah, and then after that, I turn left again, and it goes down, makes this part. And then I turn left again, and on and on. So in the end, it ends up looking like this. And obviously, this is a very sucky depiction of what it actually looks like, because I'm doing this by hand, but it looks a lot better, I'll tell you that. So yeah, over here, it's just me making the function, and it's just the main stuff for it. But you see, on my computer, instead of it just screen recording everything on my screen, my computer requires me to set what screen I'm recording, so it doesn't just record what screen I'm on. I couldn't change that setting that fast, so I made this function. I call it square, and basically the last line here is pen up. So that means the pen will be up, so nothing will be drawing. So over here, I just have it draw a square, just randomly. I'll just have it draw a square. So, but you see nothing on the screen because you don't see the turtle, because I did hide turtle up here. I did hide turtle up here, and down here the pen is up. So that just gives me some time. So once I've changed that, I can start. So once I've changed it, it's just recording, and then I can edit it. So over here, I set the pen up, and then I just call square a bunch of times. Then I call my main function, and then I call square again. So if I run this again, if I run this, I'm gonna have to go into my OBS, and I'm gonna have to change the window that it's capturing to Python Turtle Graphics. And you see right here, I got it just in time, and it just finished my function. And now After some time, you see right here, the square function finished running. And once there's nothing left to run, it just shifts back here. So it closes that screen, and now I'm left here. And this is how I use Turtle to let me come up with and do something that is so important to my channel. Because a lot of people, they've told me how much they like my introduction and all of that. And I did that by myself. I didn't pay someone a bunch of money to do it for me. And I didn't use some fancy, editing program. In fact, when I edit my videos, I don't really add anything. I just change the size of the screen, and I cut out parts of the video in which I'm not speaking good or I messed up or something. So I cut that out. So I don't do anything fancy. And instead of me wasting all that money and wasting my time trying to learn that fancy software, I just used something I knew, which was Python Turtle Graphics, and boom, I came up with a fire introduction. Well, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Peace out.